Welcome dear students. Today's our topic is grammar in use from worksheet number 1. This is for term 1 unit 1 workbook page number 54. Exercise: write negative sentences. Negative sentence means we have to use not to give the negative meaning in the sentence. The first one is done for you. First question: I can make the robot. I can make the robot. This is in positive. So how we have to change it negative means using not or include not with the auxiliary verb. Okay, the first we have to look out for the subject. What is the subject here? I is the subject because it's a pronoun. I already told you we have 7 pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So these are the pronouns we have. According to that, we have to notify. Just look out the subject and then the next auxiliary verb. I cannot make the robot. I is the subject, and see here what the change is done here. Can is used and to indicate it is a negative, so we have applied not there. So I cannot make the robot. So this sentence has now become as a negative sentence. For question number 2, you can help me. What is the subject here? You is the subject, and the next can is the auxiliary verb there. Help me. So that's the complementing words there. So how we have to change this negative means first write you, then can. To make it negative, we have to use not. You cannot help me. You cannot help me. That is the answer for this. And then third one, I will do all the work myself. I will do all the work myself. Answer: first subject I, next the verb will, and then to indicate it negative we have to add not after will. Okay, I will not do all the work myself. This is the correct answer. Question number 4, I am a lazy boy. I am a lazy boy. Subject I, next auxiliary verb am. So to indicate it negative, add not. I am not a lazy boy. I am not a lazy boy. Question number 5, you are a clever girl. Subject you and the auxiliary verb are. So we have to make it a negative sentence means add not after or. You are not a clever girl. You are not a clever girl. Question number 6, he will go to Mumbai next week. Answer: he will not go to Mumbai next week. Question number 7, this is a smartphone. This is a smartphone. So what is the answer for this? Write this and the next auxiliary verb there. So to make it negative, this is not not a smartphone. This is not a smartphone is the negative sentence. Question number 8, we should play outdoor games. Answer: we should not play outdoor games is the answer for it. Question number 9, Mr. Puri was a wrestler. Mr. Puri was a wrestler. Okay, so Mr. Puri is the subject here. Was is the auxiliary verb. Okay, supporting verb or be form verbs like that. Okay, Mr. Puri was not a wrestler. Mr. Puri was not a wrestler is the answer. 10th one, Nilesh and Kavita were in class 3 last year. Nilesh and Kavita were not in class 3 last year.